Not too long ago, a company called Grootpow reached out to me. They said that they do gardening tools and asked if I'd be interested in making a video for them. And honestly, I didn't know what to expect, but I've got to say, these are some of the most impressive gardening tools I've flat out ever used. My favorite tool of the bunch is this weeder. Now, I've used weeders like this before. I've got kind of the cheap versions. These are really nice. You stick them in the ground, you step on it, and then it has the lever action, and you just rip out a weed by the roots. And what makes this one especially nice is it goes much further into the ground than the other weeders like this I've used. It has a much bigger lever, so even huge roots you're able to pull out. And my favorite thing about this is you can push the weeds out. This is absolutely incredible. If you're not a fan of weeding, you gotta get this because this actually makes weeding fun. I love this thing. The other thing I'm testing out is these pruners. Now, what makes these pruners unique or special is this also has a lever. So you can see the pruners don't open all the way up. They only open up half the way, but that also means you only have to push it down half the way. It has twice the force as your normal pruners. So the extra big branches that you usually can't use hand pruners for, you can absolutely cut through those with these. No problem at all. They're nice and sharp. I have really loved using these. It's nice that I don't have to pull out the loppers because these do just about everything I need it to. And the last tool, I don't know what to call this, a shovel, spade, knife, saw, whatever. This really does it all. If you want to use it for weeding, just stick it in the ground. It will pull up any wheat by the roots. If you want to use it to plant bulbs or something, you just stick it in, move it over, throw the bulb in, you're done there. If you're digging and you come across roots, it's got a saw blade, so you can just saw the roots right off, or you can use the knife side and just chop it off. If you want to chop off a bunch of weeds, you got this. I didn't know they made a tool like this, but this is something I've used every single day since I've got it. This thing is incredible. All three of these tools are extremely impressive. The quality of them, like the metal, it's hard, it doesn't rust, stainless steel. The design of these pruners, absolutely love it. Makes pruning so much easier. And I'm not kidding when I say this actually makes weeding fun. I really love using this. It's just so easy. It works so well. No frustration with this. If the weeds get stuck, you just push down on this, it gets unstuck, and then you shove it out with this. As simple as can be. I am very impressed. You got to check out these tools. They are fantastic.